Okay, let's talk about something called the layer blend modes. So I have my circles on a few different layers here, and if you look in the layer panel to where you'll see the word normal, if you hover over that, it'll tell you set the blending mode for the layer. Now there's two modes that you will use almost all the time, and that is normal, where everything is as its default setting, where colors are opaque, layers are opaque, or if you click on that and see the drop down list, the other one that's used very commonly is multiply. We'll come back to that in a moment. I have a layer down here where I have a yellow circle with solid white around it. If I drag that up to the top of my layers, it covers up everything else because it's solid white. If I change the blending mode to multiply, the white appears to disappear. It's because it makes the layer transparent. So anything that's white, you just don't see. It's effectively like printing something out on white paper or printing it out on acetate, which is clear. Okay, so now it can sit on the top and it is actually all that solid white around it, but we're not seeing it. So this is incredibly useful when we start rendering our drawings, and also for layering colors where you might want them to build on one another.